Greeting aspirants, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, 10 reasons why the rich look poor. It's often said that appearances can be deceiving, especially when it comes to wealth. Let's explore why some wealthy individuals might not look like what we typically expect. 1. Minimalist lifestyle. Let's start with the minimalist lifestyle that many wealthy individuals embrace. Rather than flaunting their wealth through extravagant purchases, they prioritize simplicity and functionality. For example, instead of a sprawling mansion, they might opt for a modest home that meets their needs without excessive luxury. This approach not only reflects their personal values of practicality and sustainability, but also helps them focus more on the quality of life rather than the quantity of possessions. Number 2. Investment in assets. Another reason why the rich might look poor is their preference for investing in assets rather than spending on visible signs of wealth. Wealthy individuals often allocate their resources towards stocks, bonds, real estate, and other income-generating investments. By growing their wealth through these avenues, they secure their financial future while keeping a lower profile in terms of material possessions. This conservative approach to money management helps them build and preserve wealth over the long term. 3. Modest attire. Contrary to the stereotype of the rich dressing in designer labels from head to toe, many affluent individuals opt for modest attire. They may choose comfort and personal style over conspicuous consumption, wearing simple and understated clothing. This choice not only reflects their humility, but also allows them to blend in with diverse social settings without drawing attention solely based on their appearance. 4. Privacy and security. Maintaining privacy and security is crucial for many wealthy individuals. In an era where information is readily accessible, some affluent people intentionally avoid flaunting their wealth to protect themselves and their families from potential risks, such as theft, kidnapping, or unwanted solicitation. By keeping a low profile, they mitigate these risks while focusing on their personal and financial well-being. 5. Values and cultural norms. Personal values and cultural norms also influence how wealthy individuals present themselves. In certain cultures or social circles, displaying wealth overtly is considered inappropriate or ostentatious. Wealthy individuals may adhere to these cultural norms by practicing humility and modesty, emphasizing their contributions to society rather than their financial status. 6. Focus on experiences. Instead of accumulating material possessions, many affluent individuals invest in enriching experiences such as travel, education, or philanthropy. By prioritizing experiences over material goods, they derive greater fulfillment and personal growth while maintaining a more modest lifestyle outwardly. This approach aligns with their values of personal enrichment and making a positive impact beyond material wealth. Number 7. Generational wealth and tradition. Generational wealth often comes with a tradition of discretion and humility. Families with long-standing financial legacies may prioritize maintaining a low-key lifestyle that respects their heritage and values. By avoiding ostentatious displays of wealth, they uphold traditions of modesty while ensuring the longevity and integrity of their family's legacy. 8. Entrepreneurial focus. Entrepreneurs and business owners, despite their financial success, often reinvest their profits back into their businesses rather than personal extravagances. Their focus remains on achieving business growth and innovation, which may result in a more modest personal lifestyle compared to their business achievements. This dedication to entrepreneurial success underscores their commitment to long-term prosperity and sustainability. Number 9. Avoiding stereotypes and labels. Some wealthy individuals intentionally avoid conforming to stereotypes associated with affluence. They reject the notion that wealth must be displayed through material possessions or status symbols, opting instead to define success on their own terms. By transcending societal expectations, they demonstrate authenticity and independence in how they navigate their wealth and personal lives. 10. Financial independence and long-term planning. Ultimately, many wealthy individuals prioritize financial independence and long-term planning over immediate displays of wealth. They understand the importance of living within their means, maintaining financial discipline, and securing their future and that of their loved ones. This disciplined approach to wealth management enables them to achieve peace of mind and stability without relying on outward appearances to validate their success. Conclusion. In conclusion, appearances can indeed be deceiving when it comes to wealth. The next time you encounter someone who doesn't fit the traditional image of affluence, consider these reasons behind their modest lifestyle. It's a reminder that true wealth encompasses more than material possessions. It includes financial security, personal values, and a meaningful life journey. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on wealth wisdom and personal finance. See you next time.